The bear has fallen asleep, everyone, so we're going to have to wake him up. So let's say, wake up Teddy Bear on the count of 3. And hopefully that will keep him awake. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Teddy!
I did it!
Stop jumping. Awesome.
So one more.
One more.
Ready?
All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're the Beatles. I'm Simon. I'm Anthony. And this is the great Monday song called Waltzing Matilda. Happy Australia Day, everyone. Feel free to join in the actions and just sing along. Here we go. Once a jolly swagger and by a billabong.
You like that one?
Under the